Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. Yes, I've noticed something about foreigner. Foreigners are not voting for Malema. Most of these foreigners are not voting for Malema. These foreigners are voting for the ANC. They are very smart because they know they can see what Malema will never be the president of this country. Many foreigners have come across with, if ebuzwa ukuthi, where did you get this ID from? They will say this ID is original. I've voted for Zuma. I've voted for Ramaphosa. Some of them, they will go as far as to say, I've voted for Mandela. I have never come across a foreigner who will say, I've voted for Malema. These people are using Malema to fight for them. But when it comes to voting, they are voting for the ANC. They can see what Malema will never be the president of South Africa. So for them to pave a way for themselves to continue to stay in South Africa, it's better for them to vote for the ANC. They don't vote for Malema at all.
Is it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're not from Somalia?
I am a Somali origin of South African citizen.
Origin of Somalia citizen. All right. Isa. Here you are. Is this you?
Yeah.
All right. Isa, first things first, let me start with you. See, if you're not born in South Africa and you come here, the number 082
That's right.
is for South Africans.
I know.
You've got to this is fake.
No.
This is fake, Baba.
No.
This is fake. This is your ID. This is your ID. This is your ID.
Citizen.
Hey, don't scream, man. Hey, Baba. Don't scream. Don't scream. Don't scream. Don't scream, Baba. Sekaya, I mean. Is this your ID?
Yes.
Is this ID original or not?
Original.
How so, Isa? 082.
No.
082 when? 082.
Naturalized citizen.
It must be 182, first of all. Okay, I'm going to talk. You listen, you answer. Listen here. Listen here. Why aren't you paying the rent?
My brother.
Why aren't you paying the rent?
Naturalized.
Hey, I'm asking the rent. Never mind, don't naturalize. Why aren't you paying the rent?
So guys, those who does not know who this South African guy is, this is eviction team. You call them if you have people who are refusing to leave your house. Or maybe it's a hijacked property, you just contact them. Their team is called eviction team. I don't know why these guys are having more power than the government, because if they evict people from a hijacked property or a property where they are refusing to leave, maybe that tenant leased the property before, but he is no longer paying, he's refusing to leave the property. These guys will come and evict that person from that hijacked property. Or maybe the person leased the property before, but he's refusing to leave. Or maybe he is no longer paying the rent. But you'll never hear that the South African human rights is taking them to court. I don't know why they are having power more than the government. I don't know which license they are using. Even this law of South Africa that says you cannot evict someone without giving them an alternative accommodation. It doesn't work with the eviction team. It doesn't work because if they give you 3 months notice that you have to leave this place and they find you there after 3 months, they evict you. And you will never hear that they were taken to court. They're just doing their job smoothly.
Why aren't you paying the rent? Where's the building?
Mr.
Mia's building, where is it? Am I there?
Am I there? This is the agreement between you. Yeah, you are here. You are here. You are here. This is the agreement between you and Mr. Mia.
How do you know I'm paying or I'm paying?
You're not paying. There is proof. Show me proof. Show me proof.
No, I have the proof this time.
Show me proof. I'm not telling you.
Is it you?
Ebo, give you time for what? You don't have time. There's an eviction letter here. For you, you're supposed to evict this building. People eviction. 2020. Your contract with Mr. Mia ends in 2020. What are you still doing there? Why are you still collecting rent there? Your contract ends in 2020. Why are you still there?
No,
how so? Your contract ends in 2020. There's a contract of 40 Baba.
Contract ends in
okay, Kuluma goes.
It ends in 2016.
It ends in
2026. Sorry, 2026. You know, the first contract signed 2018, 19, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. It is a 5 years contract. Whichever documents he supplied you is completely wrong, and I have also mine. which I can produce in time if I'm given time. Now I'm being ambushed like a criminal.
You are a criminal, Baba. You've got a fake ID.
No,
You've got a
that
fake
is my ID. I've been voting. I voted for Zuma. I voted for Ramaphosa twice. Tell me,
Okay, Isa. Okay, Isa.
I can show you my ID. It shows that I voted twice.
I voted for Zuma, I voted for Ramaphosa twice. Malema is not mentioned anywhere. Each time a foreigner is caught with a South African ID, they will mention Zuma, Ramaphosa, even Mandela. Some of them, they mention Mandela. You remember even that king, the Facebook king, a Nigerian Facebook king, who said, I voted for Mandela during 1994. They don't mention Malema. All of them. These guys are smart. They don't want to vote for a party that doesn't have power to allow them to stay in South Africa. Malema does not have that power to allow them to stay in South Africa. He will only speak for them. So they don't waste their votes to vote for Malema. And Malema think he is clever. And look at what is happening right now. His party is going down. It's very clear that these people are not voting for Malema, even if you see them wearing EFF t-shirts. But when it comes to votes, when they are there alone, they vote for the ANC, the only party that is having power to allow them to stay in South Africa. Because remember, if the ANC can just wake up tomorrow and say, we don't want them, we don't want illegal immigrants in this country anymore, they can just go. So this is the reason why ANC does not want these people to go. They are voting for them. Malema is busy hitting his head on the rock for these people. These people does not care about Malema. They're just using him to fight for them. But all the votes are going to the ANC. Even me, if I go to another country illegally, I would vote for a leading party for the party to allow me to stay there. Why must I waste my vote to a party that will not help me with anything? But Malema claim, hey, these are my brothers, think he is smart. Look at what they are doing to him. He is busy bragging about these people. Shame on you, Malema.
I voted for Zuma. I voted for Ramaphosa twice. I can show you my ID. It shows that I voted twice.
Isa, okay, yeah? Very well. Isa, when you got this property, 2018, I guess.
Yes.
Your contract ended when?
My contract is still valid until 2026 September. I'm giving him his building back.
All right. Fine. I take that.
Yes.
It's in 2026 September. Can you provide the proof? I'm going to give you a chance. You will provide it.
Yes,
all right, Sharp. Isa, how much does that building owe to the municipality?
That is a big problem.
How much does it owe?
You know the account for water is not mine, it's his account. It's under his name.
Okay, let me clear it for you. You approached Mr. Mia and you told him what you're going to be taking over the business. That means you're going to be doing a property management. That's property management.
Yes.
So if you are doing property management, you are the one as managing the property who's supposed to know how much it's owing, who's paying, who's not paying, which tenant is paying, which tenant is not paying. Yeah, what were you arrested for?
A warrant of arrest?
Yeah. I'm not ransacking anything. Remember.
So guys, this is it. Stop renting out your properties to these people. Look at Mr. Mia now. He is owing the municipality 113,000 and this person is not paying rent to Mr. Mia. He is collecting rent from the tenants at Mr. Mia's house. The money is going to him, a foreign national. Mr. Mia is suffering right now. He's not getting rent from his house, from him for his house. The money is going to this guy now. Who is going to pay that 113,000? It's Mr. Mia. But all the money is going to the Ethiopian guy. The municipality can even arrest Mr. Mia and seize his house. And this Ethiopian guy will walk free with the money because he made a lot of money out of that house right now. Then tomorrow they will come and say Mr. Mia is lazy. That is why we are always urging you guys to stop renting out your properties to these people. Because these people, once you allow them to move into your property, it's like you are just giving them that property for free. Because anything can happen to you at any time. They can even unalive you for your property. You can disappear. Bangakuthatha vele ulahleke for your property. Whether it's a house, a shop, whatever. Don't give your property to these people. It's very dangerous to do that because even your children, if they unalive you, your children will suffer because they make sure that if they deal with you, then your children, maybe they destroy them with powder or they just unalive them as well. They can do anything. They can do anything just to take over everything in South Africa. So be very careful, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.